Titan 45,000 liters fuel tanker trailer, best price $14,000. Using Q235 low carbon alloy steel. The thickness is 5 mm and the tank body is strong. Using single-sided welding and double-sided forming welding, the weld is more solid and smooth. And the longitudinal welding technology is used to reduce the number of welds. There will be no open welding phenomenon and it can be used for more than 10 years. Each compartment will have a seabed valve. After all fuel tanker trailers are produced, pressure tests, metal flaw detection tests, and water filling tests will be carried out to ensure the good airtightness of the tank body. The tank body is equipped with a thickened wave braking plate to reduce the impact of the liquid on the tank body. If you need it, please contact us.